From humble beginnings to the fast lane of stardom and enterprise, Amarachi Amusi, famously known as Ashmusy, has become a remarkable figure in Nigeria's entertainment and entrepreneurial space. What sets her apart is not just her humor or charm, but her ability to diversify her talents into thriving ventures. She is a digital powerhouse, a creative genius, and a business mogul, all rolled into one charismatic personality. In an industry filled with short-term fame, Ashmusy has built a career defined by longevity, originality, and impact. From making people laugh through her viral skits to solving real-life problems with her haircare and real estate businesses, she's a testament to what young African women can achieve with talent, vision, and relentless drive. Ashmusy first caught the public eye through her unique comedy skits that flooded Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Her content, humorous, relatable, and sharp, is rooted in everyday Nigerian realities, making it accessible and loved by people across different age groups and social backgrounds. She isn't just a funny girl on the internet. Her skit-making skills are layered with professional acting ability. She portrays multiple characters with ease: mothers, aunties, spoilt kids, the village girl, or the slay queen, bringing each role to life with accurate body language, facial expressions, and accents. Her transition from one role to another in a single skit shows depth, creativity, and acting prowess. Her acting brilliance naturally opened doors to Nollywood, where she has featured in several movies. Her recent movie roles have displayed her versatility, handling both comedic and serious roles with equal grace. These performances have cemented her as more than a skit maker, but a legitimate actress worth watching. In a bold move that merges courtroom drama, satire, and comedy, Ashmusy recently launched her original YouTube series, The Court of Chaos. In the show, she stars as a hilariously unpredictable judge who presides over exaggerated and sometimes absurd civil cases. Each episode turns real-life social issues into dramatic and comical proceedings. Since its release, The Court of Chaos has become a viral sensation, pulling in hundreds of thousands of views and sparking conversations online. Fans love the blend of clever writing, character-driven humor, and Ashmusy's signature charm. The show is a bold reflection of her growth as a storyteller and content creator, pushing creative boundaries while keeping people laughing. Behind the scenes of all the glamour, Ashmusy faced a personal battle with hair loss, a challenge that inspired her to create Magic Revive, a haircare brand aimed at helping people struggling with hair damage and bald spots. Magic Revive has become a go-to solution for thousands of users across Nigeria and beyond. The products are natural, easy to use, and have garnered impressive testimonials from people who regained hair volume and strength after using them. Ashmusy turned her pain into a purpose, and now her brand stands as a beacon of hope for many. In February 2025, Ashmusy gifted herself a brand new zero-mileage Range Rover, a true symbol of luxury and achievement. The sleek army green SUV has since featured on her social platforms, not just as a status symbol, but as a reward for her years of hard work and resilience. Beyond entertainment and beauty, Ashmusy is building a lasting legacy in real estate. In April 2025, she made headlines after announcing the successful completion of 4 luxury mansions in Lagos State, Nigeria. These aren't just investments, they're statements of excellence. Each mansion is a reflection of class and sophistication, designed with contemporary architecture and smart living features. Whether for resale, rentals, or future development, this move showcases her long-term vision and financial intelligence. At a time when many celebrities focus on fast money businesses, Ashmusy is investing in assets that appreciate, and this sets her apart as a smart investor and property owner. Ashmusy's success is deeply tied to her loyal fan base, an organic following she has cultivated over the years through authenticity, engagement, and consistent value. Her fans don't just watch her, they trust her. This trust has translated into a profitable influencing business. Whether she's promoting her haircare products, luxury brands, fashion, or lifestyle products, the results are always impressive. Brands love working with her because of her genuine style and real connection with her audience. She doesn't just post ads. She creates stories around brands, ensuring that her promotions feel like recommendations from a friend rather than sales pitches. This has made her one of the most in-demand influencers in Nigeria today. Ashmusy is not living off fame, she's building wealth. Between acting, skit-making, product sales, brand deals, real estate, and YouTube monetization, she has diversified her income streams smartly. She's an embodiment of the new age African woman, creative, entrepreneurial, independent, and unapologetically ambitious. Her fortune is self-made, and her success story is still unfolding. What makes Amarachi Amusi stand out is her refusal to be boxed into one identity. She is a comedian, an actress, a CEO, a property investor, and an influencer, all powered by passion and hard work. Her journey is a masterclass in building influence, monetizing talent, and creating long-term wealth. Ashmusy has redefined what it means to be a 21st century celebrity in Nigeria. And judging by her momentum, this is just the beginning.